Try it like it created. And today I have a haul for you that's from an auction. This is my unboxing video. This is the fourth in a series of items that I purchased on an online auction located in Indiana. It was from Christie's Auctions, and they had a variety of different lots of crafting supplies. All of them, I would say most of them are used. Some things are still packaged in their original containers. I don't know the history of the seller. I did bid on quite a few lots and I won 5. So this is video number 4 in the series. And with this one, I am most interested in the color burst, which you can see here in the box. But I'm not unpleased, I guess, with any of the other items in here. They'll all get used. I like everything that's in here. So let's get started. For this lot, it was a bit higher, but I still think I got a decent price on it. I paid $39.38. And so first off, we can see here a box of distressed collage medium, and this is by Ranger, Tim Holtz. And so what we have in the container is distressed collage medium matte, distressed collage medium vintage, and distressed collage medium crazy. If you have used these, let me know your thoughts on them and how they worked out for you. I have not used these before, so that will be interesting to give that a try. Other thing I have in here is this. I've never seen this product before either. This is Archival Mist. It resists aging of newspaper clippings, certificates, report cards, awards, and more. It's acid free. Makes all your paper, no matter what kind it is, acid free. And this is made by Archival Mist, is manufactured exclusively by Preservation Technologies. I don't know if they're still in business or not. It's made in the USA. It's part of EK Success is where what it says down here. So that is interesting. I don't know. I've never used this before. Let me know if you've seen it. All right, I'm going through and grabbing the things that are still sealed in their containers first. Alcohol Lift Ink, used with Tim Holtz alcohol ink to lift color from non-porous surfaces. So you put your stamp in this after you've put your color down. You put your stamp in it, and it lifts it up. So yeah, Alcohol Lift Ink. I've done a similar type application, but not with Ranger products. All right, okay, so this one was open, so I don't know. There's still quite a bit in these bottles, it looks like, so I don't know. Alcohol ink goes such a long way. These are mixatives, and so metallic mixatives. She bought them on clearance. This is pearl and copper. I will add that to my stash of alcohol inks. This one is a metallic mixatives as well, gold and silver. Luminous metallic multi-surface inks, and this one is a mixative as well, in pearl and copper. Then while we're still on Ranger, we'll just take a look here, and I got 3 packs of 5x7 Yupo sheets. Does it say? There's 10 sheets in each package, so 30 sheets of white cardstock Yupo in 5x7. So yeah, that's really nice. I know Yupo is extremely expensive, so I'll have to look up the price on these. And I assume they're all still in the package. I don't know if she opened them up and took any out, but they feel pretty similar in size. And then the last thing, nope, we got 2 more things before we get to the big lot that I was interested in. Okay, Adirondack embossing powder in green. This is a random in here because I know that there was an embossing powder lot that I didn't bid on. I have so much embossing powder. If you don't know, I have some older videos of there was a sale of a lady going into retirement, and she was trying to have a store where she taught classes and so forth, and so she stocked up on items to to teach with in her studio, and then she was put into a facility and could no longer craft, and all of her items were sold off. And I bought quite a few lots from her, and I bought 1 bag of embossing powders. So I have a large container of embossing powders. I don't need to ever buy embossing powders. This one looks a little old because it's frayed and flaking off the top here. This is high viscosity acrylic artist color interference gold, and it says it's translucent here. It's Liquitex. Looks like she got it on clearance, $3.55 from $10.99, and I'm guessing that this might have even been a tag from Ben Franklin's. So it could be a very old bottle of paint, but I'm interested to see how it works and if it's still good. So let's just crack it open and take a peek in there. So yeah, it is pearlescent. It is still liquidy. I'm smelling it, and I don't smell a harsh or a terrible scent. I do smell like a chemical scent, so I think it's still good. All right, and then we get to what I was hoping to purchase, which I got. Oh, wait a minute. One more Snowcap mixative from Ranger. All right, this is why I bid on this lot, and this is why I went up in price. These are color bursts. I love watching color bursts work, and I have different brands of them, but these are Ken Oliver Crafts color bursts, and each bottle, it has a tag on it for $5. I don't know how much they are now. I'll have to look them up and see, but if you add all of this up, it is more. Even at the $5 price, it is more, I believe, than what I paid for this whole lot. So let's go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Yeah. And all that extra that I got as well for $39.38. So just taking a look here, we've got orange, phthalo green, indigo. I don't know how much is still in here. I feel like there's stuff in there. Yellow ochre, violet, lemon yellow, so far no duplicates, burnt orange, was that a, nope, azularian, I think it's crimson, it's a red, alizar, I don't know, crimson, I know that says, the tag is over it, I can't read it, terra verde, which is a green, obviously from the package, green, Merlot, wine color, sepia in brown, and ultramarine in blue. Let me know what you think. Would you have spent almost $40 on this haul of Ranger products and Colorburst products? I'm happy. I can't wait to play with the Colorburst. Yeah, I love watching the colors spread out and do their thing. So I have never used the Ken Oliver's brand before, but I'm interested to see how they work compared to others, and I really like the bottle and the nozzle shape. The one thing I will say to be aware of is that it is a powdered color, and so you want to be careful, and you don't want to breathe it in and get that dispersed in your lungs. So if you do use any kind of powdered colors, either watercolors, powders, you're mixing your own paints, anything like that, you really do need to consider using a respirator and be careful of the colored dust, because that will go in your lungs and your system cannot break that down because it's not a natural occurrence. So do be careful. I will be careful with these, and I look forward to sharing these items with you in future tutorials. And this is box number 4, and I got one more box to go through. So hope you are enjoying this series of auction finds.